Hey guys, Real Slot Wives. We're here at King of Prussia and Valley Forge. So we're taking a chance. Here we go. We did a max bet on a sun and moon, and we got games. We got the 4 symbol bonus. So we'll see if we can get something good. Hopefully we can. All right, here we go, guys. Come on, guys. Something big. We want some big wins here. Big wins. I just put a bill in, and luckily, you know, oh, come on, games. Do it. Oh, you got it, Allie. Allie just got games on, here, let me show you guys real quick, on Wolf Moon. Allie just got games on Wolf Moon, check it out, on a dollar bet. My mind is counting up, I'm gonna let you guys watch. Oh, and when you get that middle signal, when you get that symbol in the middle, that re-triggers, you get an extra spin. All right, they can't see your little elbow. There we go. Just getting adjusted, guys. So here's the re-spin. Let's see what happens. Come on. Oh, that's all right. That's all right. We'll come back around. I'm gonna come back over here. All right, sun and moon. We re-trigger, guys. We got, I think 5 games. 5 more games. Not a bad win either. I would not mind hitting really good on this game. Oh, yeah, our neighbor is hitting good over here. Oh, now we got the respin again. Check it out, guys. Look at that. Come on, respin. Oh, yeah, something good. We got the 9s. Got the 9s in there. All right. We're back over here, guys. Wow, that was $30 for that hit right there. Nice. $30. Alright. We're just going to let it run. I'm not going to interrupt it. Sometimes you just can't rush things with these games. Just let them do this thing. If it wants to show out, let it show out. Oh, man, yes. We got the elks and the 9s. Nice. That's good. That's a good one. Yeah. Nice, and you got the polar bears. Oh no, those are wolves. I don't know why I call them polar bears. This game is called Wolf Moon. Check it out. Allie is doing so good. Oh man, look at those points going. Here she gets another moon. Oh, re-trigger. Oh, do 2 more. That's it. $40 bonus. Check it out. Nice. Dollar bet. All right, bring it back over. So not too bad on this game. We actually came up a little bit here. Get a symbol in there. All right. Got 8 games left. We're hoping for a nice, another nice hit here. Hopefully we'll get something good. Hope you guys are enjoying this as much as I am. As much as we are. We're enjoying it a lot. $2 there. Oh, that's $20. All right, we like that. 20 more bucks. We're letting it go again, guys. We got 2 games left on Sun and Moon. Again, we did a max bet. This is Real Slot Wives. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, you better do it right now. Just pause this video you're watching, go to the channel page, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, become a fan, watch us, you know, and you can come along our journeys. You re-triggered. Oh, man, you got games. Oh, they just got games again. You can come and join us and watch. You know, we go all over the place playing slots. We've been to Vegas. We've been to Atlantic City. We've gone down to Florida. We've been overseas in Puerto Rico. Let's see, where else? Pennsylvania, Dover, Maryland, And yeah, I think that's all the ones I can think of right now. But look at that, guys. 133. Nice win, right? Max bet. So look at us. We're up a little bit there. We like that. I'm going to cash out and we're going to put in a different bill and see if we can get some more good hits.